Hello grade 3, hope you are fine. Today inshallah we're gonna finish the math syllabus for grade 3. Okay, let's start our lesson. Here we have the addition and subtraction word problems. Let's know or recognize the keywords of the addition. Okay, let's see here. Okay. We have some keywords of addition: total, altogether, sum, and join, add, in all. Let's sing the song. Together, total, and the sum, all both mean plus. Also, we have both. Okay? Again, together, total, and the sum, all both mean plus. Okay? These are the keywords of addition. In the first story problem, Yusuf has 237 blocks. Magid has 148 blocks. How many blocks do they have all together? So the key word is all together. Okay? So this means we will add the two numbers, okay? So we decide if we add or subtract, we add these numbers, okay? What do? Take these numbers down and we write it down and we will say add. Let's see the next one. Okay. The school library had 3,640 blocks for rent. During 1 week, 1,280 of them were rented. How many blocks were left? Okay, let's remember together the key words. Let's remember left, rest, remainder, difference. All these words mean minus. Okay, and we have also how many more, how many less. Okay, and take away. Okay, subtract. Okay, all of them. Left, remain. Also we have rest. Okay, or remainder, remain or remainder. Difference, subtract, take away. How many less? How many more? So I'm talking about what? The subtraction. This is the keywords of subtraction. Let's see the keyword. Here, left. Left means minus. Okay, so I'm gonna subtract the two numbers. But take care, in the subtraction, we must write the bigger number first. Okay? Which number is the biggest number here or the bigger number here? 3,640 minus 1,280. Okay? Let's see in details or solve some problems. Okay, let's see here. Read each story problem and decide on a strategy to solve it. Show your work of each problem. Some problems might have more than one step to be solved. Read carefully. Let's start the first problem. Amr saved 365 steps. So, in the problem, make sure I'm looking for what? I'm looking for the numbers, okay? And what else? We are looking for the keyword, and understand the problem, okay? And decide which is it's a addition or subtraction, okay? Let's see in the first example. Amr saved the stop 365. It's a number. Pounds in 1 year. The next year he said stop 475 pounds. What is the total amount he saved? Again, total, together total and the sum, all both mean plus. So total means what? Means plus. Okay? Let's see here. Take these numbers and write it down and make the sign. 365 plus 475. What do we need here? We have got sleepy numbers. We have got A draft. We must make a draft. Draft. We have here an empty space. We write the numbers under each other. Okay, like this. Okay. Okay. From where do we start? We start from what? From the ones place. This is ones, tens, and hundreds. Okay? Again, what sign do we have? We have plus. 5 plus 5 equals. Start from the ones place. Okay, let's add 5 plus 5. Put the bigger number in my mind and the smaller number on my finger. Do I have any bigger number? No. So choose any one in your mind. 5 in my mind, the other 5 on my fingers. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's 10. Okay, 10 or more. We should regroup and carry up in balloon. Yes, we have carry up. Once stay at home and one carry up in balloon to the next door. So I will write 0 here down. Okay, then 1 in the balloon. Okay, so what do we have here? 1 plus 6 equals 7. 7 plus 7 equals 14. Okay, so the answer 14 again. What do we have here? Look here, 4. We write 4 down and 1 in the balloon to the next door. Okay, 1 plus 3 equals 4. 4 plus 4 equals 8. So the answer will be 840. So the answer will be 840 pounds. Okay, let's clean this. Again, we have another problem. There are 365 days in 1 year. If 147 days have passed since the beginning of the year, how many days are left? What does it mean left? Rest, left, remainder, difference. All these words mean minus. Of course, it's minus. Okay? Take these numbers and write it down. But make sure we have minus. The bigger number comes first. So 365, this is the first number. Minus 147. Let's see. We have sleepy numbers. What do? We make a draft. Write the numbers under each other and make another draft. Okay? We have here, start from the ones place. Okay? This is ones, tens, and hundreds. Okay. If we have more on the floor, go to next door. Again, if we have more on the floor, go to next door. Or simply, can I take away 7 from 5? No, we cannot. So what do? Knock, knock, knock. Borrow 1. 1 increase, the other decrease. I take 1 from 6. Okay, I will borrow. 1 from 6 becomes 5. So, and the 1 we took from 6, I put it beside 15. 5, becomes 15. So, this number becomes big. I can take away 7 from 15. Let's count. Count after the baby. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Stop. How many on my fingers? I've got 8. Okay, again. 5 minus 4. Yes, this is the bigger number here. Can I take away 4 from 5? Yes, I can. So count after the baby. After 4, 5, stop. How many on my finger? I've got 1. Again, ask the number. Who are you? Are you baby or mommy? This is mommy. So count after the baby. After 1, 2, 3, stop. How many on my fingers? I've got 2. So the answer will be 218 days. Okay, let's clean this. and go to the next one. The school arranged a trip to pyramids. 1,355 students for primary stages. And stop. Okay, and stop. Circle end. This is a key word, but we must complete the whole story. 1,420 from preparatory and secondary stages are going. How many students are going in all stages? Together total and the sum. All both mean plus we have all in the end. Okay, take these numbers and write it down. Okay, the number of students we have here. Take these numbers and write it down. We have a plus sign. What do we have here? We have got the sleepy numbers. We make a draft. Let's write the number underneath. We have this sign. Okay, and make plus. Start from what? Start from the ones place. Okay, 5 plus 0, we cross 0. Okay, and the number remains the same. This is 5. Again, this is 5. Again, 5 plus 2 equals 7. So the answer will be 7. 3 plus 7 plus 4 equals 7 as well. Again, 1 plus 1 is 2. So the answer will be 2,775 students. Okay? Let's see the next 2 lessons. And these lessons are the last lessons in our syllable for the first term. Okay, for the first term. Let's see. We are talking about the liquid volume or measuring capacity. Measuring capacity. What does mean capacity? It's a volume for the liquid. For what? The liquid. Capacity is the amount of liquid a container can hold, like this. We have this cup. Okay? And this we contains how much liquid do we have in these containers? Okay? So we can measure it using the capacity. Okay? Units of capacity are a liter. L. We symbolize liter using the first letter. L. Liter. Okay? Used to measure large amount. So large amount, we measure it by using a liter. This is a unit for large amount of liquid. A milliliter, ml, to measure small amounts of liquid. Okay? Here we have this bottle of water. This water bottle holds 1 liter. And this one, it's a dropper, holds about 1 milliliter. There are 1,000 milliliters in 1 liter. Okay, 1 liter, L equal 1,000 milliliters. Okay, so liter means looks like 1,000. Okay, yes, goodbye liter. And we bought 3 zeros. Okay, make sure. 2 liter, how many milliliter? Goodbye liter. And we bought 3 zeros. So the answer will be 2,000. Okay? Here we have goodbye. I need to change from liter to milliliter. Goodbye liter, and we bought 3 zeros. So becomes 3,000 milliliter, and so on. Let's see here. Choose the unit you would see the measure the capacity of each. Okay. We have this juice. Can be measured by liter or milliliter. It's a small object. Okay. So we can measure it by using milliliter. Here we have this bottle of oil. So we can measure it by using this unit, liter. This container, it's milk container. Okay, we have, we can measure it by using liter. We can use this injection here using, we have a small amount of a medicine, so we can use milliliter. Okay, we have a small amount of a small cup. Okay, so we can measure it by using milliliter. Here we have this bucket. Okay, we can use liter. It's a big amount of water. Okay, let's see the next. Choose better estimation for each. Okay, we have here a bottle of water. It's 1 milliliter. Yeah, it's 1 milliliter. It's very tiny, very small, so we can choose 1 liter. This ketchup, it's 300 liter or 300 milliliter. It's 300 milliliter. The spoon, it's milliliter or liter. Yes, it's milliliter. This basin contains water. It's big. We have big amount of water. So we can measure it by using liter. This juice, is it small or big? 2 milliliters, very tiny. So we can measure it by using liter. This one, 500 milliliter. Yes, it can be 500 millimeter, not 500 liter, because 500 milliliter is very, very big. So we choose 500 milliliter. Okay, choose the correct answer. We will change from liter, this unit for large amount, to milliliter. Okay, what do we say? Goodbye liter, and we put 3 zeros. So 3, and we put 3 zeros, it becomes 3,000. Again, goodbye liter, and what do we put instead? We put 3 zeros. It's 14,000. Okay, bye-bye liter. Put 3 zeros, so it's 10,000. Gonna choose 10,000. Look here, a perfume bottle is measured by milliliter or liter. Of course, milliliter is not that big. A water in a basin, this is a basin, okay, is measured by, of course, liter. Let's see the next. Liquid volume measuring capacity. I can measure the capacity of juice box by using what? Graduated cylinder. What is the graduated cylinder? This one is called graduated cylinder. This is called the graduated cylinder. The capacity of juice box is 90 milliliter. Okay, let's see here. Let's talk about the graduated cylinder. Is a graduated tool like ruler from 0 to 100, and the listed numbers are skip count by tens, and it holds 100 milliliter. Okay, write the capacity for each of the following. Let's see the first one. Here we have, look, we have until we reach, this is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So the capacity is 50 milliliter. And here we have until we reach 30. So the capacity is 30 milliliter. And we have here, look here, we have it's filled until 70. So the capacity is 70. And we have the last one, the total cylinder is filled with liquid, so it's 100 milliliter. Okay, go to the next. We have here color to reach the given measures. Okay, we have to color until we reach 30 milliliters. So 10, 20, 30, stop. We will color until we reach 30. Okay, here we have 80 milliliter. So we'll count until we reach 80. We will color until we reach 80. Okay, here we have 50. So it's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Sorry, no, it's 50. So we'll color until 50. We will color it. Okay. Okay, here we will color until the whole the whole cylinder until we reach 100. Like this, we will color it. Okay? We have here 10 milliliter. We will reach until 10. Okay? Okay, we will color it. Then we have here until 70. So we'll color until 70. Okay. This is the last thing or the last lesson in our syllable here. Thank you for watching. Wish you a happy year. And don't hesitate to contact me if you have any questions. And don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Goodbye.